What's up, everybody on Gaia? This is Kiva over Kiva. On the side. Well, this is probably like your first time seeing me. My body, me, my face. I was saying, this is exclusive. And you coming back here too. Come on, you gotta join the exclusiveness.
Yeah, it is.
It's exclusiveness. What's so funny? It's exclusiveness to my Gaia video. Put it down. Why you gotta listen to my iPod? Oh my god, bro. Exclusively. Yes. Exclusively.
It sure is exclusively.
Exclusively.
That's on YouTube.